This video is about simplifying rational expressions, and really to do this well you have to know how to work with fractions. You have to know the operations, how to add with them, how to subtract, how to multiply, and how to divide. As long as you know that, you're fine. So for example, in number 1, I have to know, am I going to add first or am I going to multiply first? Hopefully you remember that you need to multiply first. So the 7 over x plus just hangs out. So when I'm multiplying with fractions, how can I simplify them? What do I do? I've got to factor and then see what can be reduced. In this case, the x minus 3's can be reduced. The 5 and the 10 can be reduced. So I have 7 over x plus 1 over 2x. Now comes adding them. In order to add fractions, I have to have a common denominator. In this case, my common denominator has to be 2x. So I need to multiply the first fraction by 2 over 2. So now I have 14 over 2x plus 1 over 2x. Well, altogether my answer is 15 over 2x. And I'm done. Number 2, you have to know that there's an understood set of parentheses here. So this problem is really 3 minus 6 over x divided by x squared minus 4x plus 4 over 3x. Well, going left to right, I know that I have to subtract these first. The common denominator is x, so I multiply the 3 by x over x. So I have 3x over x minus 6 over x. That just becomes 3x minus 6 over x. Division is the same as multiplying by the reciprocal. Since I'm going to be multiplying, I know that I'm going to want to reduce. To reduce, I need to factor. So I need to factor both of these. Can I factor anything from the first fraction? Yep, a 3. Oops. Now I want to reduce. So one of the x minus 2's will reduce. X minus 2, x minus 2. The x and this x will reduce. So I'm left with 9 over x minus 2. Okay, next one. So this is a complex fraction again. So I know that this really means 4x squared over 6x minus 3 divided by 15x over 2x minus 1. For these two fractions, I don't need to do any more simplifying. I can just change it into multiplication, start reducing, and simplify. So I'm going to factor out a 3, multiply by the reciprocal. So I have 2x minus 1 that gets reduced, an x squared, and an x. So there's 1x left. So altogether I have 4 over 45. And I'm done. Here again, I need to know, what do I do first? Subtracting or multiplying? It may look tempting, since these both have x minus 1's. They already have a common denominator, but you do not subtract first. You have to multiply first. So the first fraction stands alone. Can I reduce anything between these that are being multiplied? No, there's nothing that can be reduced. So I'm just going to straight up multiply. My common denominator would be an x and an x minus 1. So I have to multiply the first fraction by x over x. So I have x squared minus 3 times x plus 2. Distribute. So I have x squared minus 3x minus 6 over x minus 1. I need to know, can I factor the numerator at all? Is there anything that multiplies to negative 6 and adds up to negative 3? There's not, so I'm done. If you want to try some more problems like this, check out page 653, numbers 33 through 40.